Hi friends, this is Chanchal Sharkar about perfect number or not checking in Python. So what is perfect number? Perfect number is a number which is equal to the sum of its factors excluding the number itself. That is example 6. 6 number 6. 6 factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6, but excluding the number itself. So 6 cross and factors is 1, 2, 3. Their sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. If this sum and original number is equal, so number is perfect number. So first we take a user input n equal int input, enter a number. Next, for sum purpose is equals to 0, is for sum purpose sum. Next, look for I in range 1 to excluding the number itself. So n plus 1 not, here only n, 1 comma n, increment 1, increment 1. Next, factor expression. If n mod I equals to 0, these statement are factor expression. In this comment line, the hashtag indicates comment line factor expression. If n mod I equals to 0, then sum. So s equal s plus I, s equal s plus I. Next, checking. If out of if loop, if statement out of for loop, if sum equals to original number is the same, so print number is perfect number, is perfect number. Otherwise else print number is not perfect. This indicates sum equal sum plus factors. So s equal s plus I, s equal s plus I. So first s is 0, 0 plus 1, 1 is 1 plus I. Next 2, 3. So is now 3 and I, that is factor 3, 6.